welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to generate matching brand image in DALL-E or image playground. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to generate matching brand images with DALL-E or image playground, you need to go and open your DALL-E. Once you have found your DALL-E app or website, then you can simply get signed in into it and define a consistent style. After you have defined a consistency, you need to add your key elements in your prompt as well, such as brand colors, artistic styles, example like flat styles or vector art, and recurring subjects or themes. So once you have done this as well, you can simply then create new images by including these defined elements in subsequent text prompts or variation. You need to simply define a brand identity and style. After this, generate images using consistent prompts. And once you have done this as well, you can simply consider that you can use DALL-E through platforms like official OpenAI website or third-party applications if you want to use it to generate matching brand images. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.